In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that you can't add a Q&A to your bio in TikTok. So I'm going to break down what you need and what the problem is and how to solve this. So the problem is when you go to the three dots and you want to find creator, it doesn't say creator, but if it does, there is no option for you to select Q&A, right? So if that's true, this is the problem, and I'm going to show you how to solve it. So if you don't have 10k followers, it's not possible. First, you need 10k followers. It's a requirement. Then next, if you don't live in the United Arab Emirates, the Canada, Australia or Germany, it's also not possible. So if you don't have any of these requirements, it's not possible for you. So, as you can see, I don't live in any of the countries and I don't have 10k followers on this account, as you can see. So for me, it's also not possible. But if this still helps you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.